Unlock insane plant growth with this simple cardboard hack gardeners are hiding from you. What if I told you that the secret to explosive, jaw-dropping plant growth is sitting quietly in your recycling bin right now? No expensive fertilizers, no complicated formulas, no special tools, just ordinary cardboard that has the power to transform struggling plants into thriving, vibrant giants. Today on Soil and Crops Central, you're going to see exactly how this surprisingly simple trick works, why so many gardeners swear by it, and how you can start using it in your garden today for incredible results. Cardboard may look like nothing more than a leftover shipping material, but in the garden it becomes a powerful ally. When it starts breaking down, it transforms into a moisture-holding, fungus-friendly, nutrient-enriching layer that plants absolutely love. As it slowly decomposes, it releases organic carbon, something soil microbes need to stay active and healthy. Healthy microbes lead to richer soil. Richer soil leads to stronger plants. And stronger plants, well, that leads to the kind of growth you're here to learn about. But cardboard isn't just a food source for soil life. It acts like a moisture reservoir, keeping the soil beneath it cool and damp for longer periods. If you've ever struggled with dry, stubborn soil that plants hate growing in, cardboard is about to fix that. It also blocks light, meaning weeds can't muscle their way into your plant beds and compete for nutrients. Less competition means your plants can finally take off. The key is choosing the right type of cardboard. Plain brown cardboard works best because it breaks down cleanly and naturally. Avoid glossy finishes, colored prints, or anything with plastic coatings, as these don't decompose properly and can introduce unwanted substances into your garden. Make sure all tape, stickers, and staples are removed before using it. There are several ways to prepare cardboard, depending on how fast you want it to break down. Shredded cardboard decomposes quickly and mixes easily into the topsoil. This creates that fungal-rich environment plants adore. If you want an even faster boost, soak your cardboard before applying it. Moist cardboard begins decomposing almost immediately, speeding up the process of fungal colonization. The soaking doesn't require precise measurements. Simply submerge the cardboard in enough water to fully saturate it. When it becomes soft and flexible, it's ready to use. For gardeners who prefer a longer-lasting mulch layer, leave the cardboard in larger sheets. These slowly break down over weeks or months while still giving your plants the benefits of moisture retention and weed suppression. Once the cardboard is prepared, the real transformation begins. Start by clearing any large debris around your plants, then gently lay the cardboard around the base. For tomatoes, herbs, and flowers, leave a small open space right at the stem to prevent excess moisture from sitting directly against the plant. Press the cardboard down so it conforms to the soil surface. If your garden is windy, dampening the cardboard or lightly covering it with soil or compost keeps it from shifting. The amount of cardboard depends on the effect you want. A thin layer of shredded cardboard blends into the soil faster, making it great for gardeners who want quick enrichment. A thicker layer or overlapping sheets creates a long-lasting mulch that protects the soil and feeds it slowly over time. Reapply when you see the cardboard starting to disappear into the earth, which usually takes several weeks. This is where things get exciting. Within the first few days, you'll notice the soil staying consistently moist, even if the surface dries out. The cardboard forms a protective cover that shields the soil from harsh sunlight and reduces water loss. After a week or two, you may notice an increase in earthworm activity, especially if you lift the cardboard. Worms adore damp, decomposing cardboard because it gives them both food and shelter. Increased worm activity leads to better aeration, better nutrient circulation, and improved soil structure. Over several weeks, the changes become even more dramatic. Plants begin developing stronger, deeper roots because the soil is softer and more nutrient-dense than before. Leaves appear greener and fuller, and growth really speeds up. Many gardeners report seeing visible differences in as little as 3 weeks. When the cardboard finally disappears into the soil, what remains is richer, darker, more fertile earth that continues to feed your plants long after the cardboard itself is gone. The science behind this is simple yet powerful. The cardboard boosts fungal life, which works together with bacteria to form a balanced soil ecosystem. This balanced soil naturally suppresses weeds, holds water longer, and provides plants with a slow, steady supply of nutrition that synthetic fertilizers just can't match. Instead of giving your plants a quick spike in nutrients, the cardboard method supports long-term sustainable soil improvement. Some gardeners have shared their own incredible results using this method. Several noticed their tomatoes doubling in size compared to previous seasons. Others reported herbs becoming fuller, more fragrant, and far more resilient to heat. Flowers bloomed more intensely, with stronger stems and longer lifespans. These stories really highlight just how effective this method can be across different types of plants and garden environments. One of the best parts of this technique is how environmentally friendly it is. Instead of just tossing cardboard into the recycling bin or, the trash, you're actually giving it a second life as a soil-building powerhouse. This simple step reduces waste, cuts your reliance on chemical fertilizers, and helps support a more sustainable way of gardening. You're taking something simple and transforming it into a tool that boosts soil health naturally. Many gardeners spend large amounts of money trying to fix soil issues, compaction, dryness, nutrient deficiency, fungus imbalance, when the solution is something they already have at home. This method really brings gardening back to basics. Instead of adding artificial amendments, you're mimicking natural forest floor decomposition, which, honestly, is how some of the healthiest soils on Earth are formed. Now that you've seen exactly why cardboard is such a powerful garden tool and how to use it effectively, the next step is to try it in your own garden. Start with just one plant bed or maybe a small section, and watch how quickly the soil and plants respond. Once you see the results for yourself, you'll understand why so many gardeners consider this their secret weapon. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe to Soil and Crops Central and share it with other gardeners who might benefit from this simple but game-changing method. Your garden is about to thank you, loudly.